Understanding, holding the fort, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard before: holding the fort. This idiom is a great example of how English speakers use language to convey specific ideas and emotions in a few words. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Holding the fort refers to the act of taking care of things or maintaining a position during someone else's absence. It's about being responsible and ensuring that everything runs smoothly until the person who is usually in charge or responsible can return. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal responsibilities at home to professional duties at work. The phrase, holding the fort, has a military origin. It dates back to times when soldiers had to defend their fort or position against enemies, especially when their leaders were not present. Over time, this expression has been adapted into everyday English to describe situations that don't necessarily involve a physical fort but require the same sense of duty and responsibility. You can use holding the fort in casual and formal conversations. Here are a few examples to help you understand its usage. In a professional setting, while our manager is on vacation, I'll be holding the fort. If you have any concerns, feel free to come to me. Among friends or family, I have to go out for a few hours. Can you hold the fort and watch the kids? Remember, using idioms like holding the fort not only makes your English sound more natural, but it also helps you convey complex ideas succinctly. Interestingly, the phrase can slightly vary in different English-speaking regions. For instance, in British English, it's common to hear holding the fort, while in American English, people might also say holding down the fort. Despite the slight difference in wording, the meaning remains the same. And that's a wrap on holding the fort. We hope this video has enlightened you on the richness of English idioms and how they can add flavor to your conversations. Remember, idioms like these are a bridge to sounding more like a native speaker and understanding the cultural nuances of the language. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice using holding the fort in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.